The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Disconnect the light from the panel. Using a 7/32 socket, remove the two bolts securing the filter cover. Remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the bolts. Reconnect the footwell light. Reinstall the footwell panel by matching the tabs with their catch.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.